Okay, hello everybody. If you made it this far, you're now on activity 3. So I'm going to walk you through the expectations for activity 3 and also give you a little bit of a lesson. So for activity 3, you will need to open two documents, 3A. So this is your concept map. Your concept map is going to help you to organize all the information that you're going to hear and read, and it needs to be organized onto these 4 slides. Two of the slides are pertaining to physical properties, and the last two are chemical properties. You'll need to do both a definition, given the type of physical property, like identify the type of property, and that goes inside the trapezoid. And then in the oval will go an example. Be sure that whenever you copy and paste or simply type, that your information is fitting into the shape provided. Don't let it spill over. All right, so also, like I just mentioned, you'll need to open up 3B. I actually already have it opened right here. And 3B, this is really where all the information is. So you'll see there are 4 learning goals. But I want to just take a break and talk to you about that first learning goal. Just give you a little indication of the difference between physical and chemical properties. So physical property is often something that we could see. And in this example that I'm going to show you, we know that ice is a solid. So here's an ice cube. It's solid. But if I apply a little bit of heat and pressure, it obviously becomes a liquid. And so it's still the same chemical properties because it's still H2O, whether it's ice or the liquid. But the state of matter has changed. And so state of matter is a physical property, whether you're a solid, a liquid, or a gas. That's just one example of a physical property. Here's another one. Here in the white glass, I think you could see I have a white powdery substance, and that's baking soda. And so baking soda is reactive with acid. So let's see if I can get this together here. So I'm going to put an acid into the baking soda, and the acid, of course, is vinegar. So reacting with an acid is a chemical property. A chemical property because inside that glass is no longer baking soda or vinegar. It is brand new substances, and so a chemical change has occurred. But reactivity with an acid is actually a chemical property. Not all things react with vinegar. So like I mentioned, you're going to watch the film, read, and gather your examples. Identify the physical property and the example, physical property, example, and all of that information will be reorganized here in your concept map. You're working on this assignment with your lab partner, so be sure that only one person opens up this document, shares it with the other, and the owner of the document will be the one responsible for turning it in. All right, thank you guys. Good luck.